Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to transfer money from Affirm to your bank account. First, log in to your Affirm dashboard. At the top right, click Add Bank Account. You'll be taken to a setup page where you can enter your bank account and routing number. If you don't have the details, you can also invite a teammate to add them for you. Once your bank is linked, a firm will show you how much is ready for payout. Keep in mind, this amount updates daily. After adding your bank details, confirm the setup, you'll see a message saying your payout is on the way. And that's it. Once your bank is connected, a firm will send the funds directly to your bank account. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.